basic messages in everything we do. First, falls are not a normal part of aging. Do you know how many people do not tell anybody they fell because they are scared? You're all nodding your heads. Yeah, because if I said to you, how many of you have fallen in the last month, people are going to nod their, I'm not telling. This is one of those, what happens here stays here. Don't worry about those cameras, right? Did you know that fewer than 50% of elders who have a significant fall tell their doctors? And you know why? Because they're scared. They're scared of saying it means I'm growing older or something, or I might have to go to a nursing home. There is so much you can do, even if you have fallen, to be even healthier. And our job is to prevent future falls, but we can't do it if you don't tell anybody. So, the first thing we're going to do is help people know falls are not a normal part of aging. So if you fell, tell somebody because there's something we can do. Secondly, most falls can be prevented. I'm not the only poster child here. You guys are doing super. And preventing falls is everybody's business. It takes all of us. And so through Steady You, what we're going to be doing in our state is ensuring that everybody gets it, everybody knows how to prevent it. Because what we know about prevention is when everybody comes together with one message, one vision, and everybody collaborates and cooperates, that's how you're successful in prevention. And so it's about all of us. We are going to have, the first thing I want to tell you about is we have, and you're going to be able to see it after this, a Steady You website. You would not believe how great it is. You're going to be able to access it right there. Everything anybody needs is going to be at that website. We want our state system to have trouble today and throughout the year because so many people are going here. But don't worry, we're prepared. Now, on this website, everyone is going to find something that will help them prevent falls. Do you know that if you are an elder, right on the front of that website, you're going to be able to take a falls risk assessment. Nobody's going to see it but you. And you're going to know, am I a falls risk? But not only are you going to know, am I a falls risk, you're going to be learning about what some of those risks are. If you are a business, you're going to be able to understand more about how you keep your business safe and keep all your employees and all the elders who have lots of disposable income and are going to be shopping there. Do you know that on the website you can text right over to the website and you're going to be able to now get a tip every single day? Every single day you're going to be learning a new tip. It'll come right onto your computer, right onto your smartphone. And you know what we're going to do with some of those tips? Every business in Ohio is going to be able to have those tips front and center. No matter who and what you are, you're going to be inundated with the message that falls can be prevented, that you have a role, and that falls are not a normal part of aging. We can't wait to get everybody onto the website. We're involving everyone because, as I said, it takes everybody working together. The kinds of organizations that have not just signed on, because it's not enough to sign on. It's not enough to just sign on the dotted line and say, oh, we'll help. Everybody's got to be at the table collaborating and cooperating. We all have to own it. The Ohio Retail Merchants Association, they're going to make sure that in every business you're preventing falls. The Ohio Healthcare Provider Coalition and its 80,000 members, all of your physicians, all of your nurses, all of your therapists, they're going to get it. They're going to do it. Our area agencies on aging, our AARP chapter, our senior centers, the Alzheimer's Association, everybody. We're all there together. all of our state agencies. So we have the website. What kinds of projects are you going to be able to read about? One of the most important things for all population groups, whenever you spend a little bit of time with the governor, you know, have you been working out? Let's talk about your balance. He'll tell you, doesn't matter what you're wearing, just go and do it. Right, Governor? It's true. We are going to have evidence-based balance classes in every county of this state. You will be able to get matter of balance classes everywhere, and if too many people want them, good for us, we'll get more. That's our commitment to you. Tai Chi, we want to make sure everyone can have the best balance and gait possible. Secondly, we are going to be working with all of the healthcare providers in our state to ensure through Dr. Winslow that all of our clinicians are doing falls assessments on their patients. The CDC is partnering with us through a wonderful toolkit to make sure that every physician, every clinician, every prescriber knows how they can help their patients, help their clients, help their families prevent falls. What's very cool about this, they're not the only ones that are going to have it. You can all look at it on the website. So I'm going to expect all of you to look at it and say to your physician, have you done a falls assessment on me? How come you haven't? Take responsibility.